Why does a restaurant with a long line outside seem more delicious than an empty one next door? It's not that you actually know the food is better. Psychologists call this the bandwagon effect. We adopt beliefs, follow trends, or make choices simply because other people are doing them, not because we evaluated the choice ourselves. The crowd itself becomes the evidence. If enough people are doing something, your brain assumes it must be worth doing. And the bigger the crowd, the stronger that assumption gets. Before you even taste a single bite, the line has already convinced you. In classic conformity experiments, people were shown a line and asked which of 3 other lines matched it in length. The answer was obvious. But when several actors in the room deliberately gave the wrong answer out loud first, a huge share of real participants caved and repeated the wrong answer too. It's the same reason a comedy show adds a laugh track. Hearing others laugh makes a joke feel funnier, even if you consciously know the laughter is fake. Online, products with more reviews sell more, even when a nearly identical competitor has a better rating but far fewer reviews. People have even been documented joining a completely random line with no idea what it was even for, purely because other people were already standing in it. And in elections, polls showing a candidate in the lead can attract even more support, simply because that candidate looks like the winning choice. Here's what's actually happening in your head. Copying the crowd used to be a genuine survival shortcut. If everyone around you suddenly scattered, running along with them was safer than stopping to ask why. Your brain still runs that same shortcut today, even when the only danger is picking the wrong restaurant. Following the crowd also protects you from a very specific kind of pain, being the one person who is visibly, publicly wrong. So even when part of you suspects the crowd is wrong, going along with it still feels safer than standing out alone. This is how empty rumors turn into full-blown panics, once enough people start repeating them. It's why a stock can shoot up in price for no real reason, just because other people are buying it. And it's why trends, slang, and fads spread so fast, not because they're actually the best option, just the most visible one. So how do you catch it? First, before joining in on something because everyone's doing it, ask yourself if you'd still choose it if no one was watching. Second, actively look for the quiet option nobody's talking about. Sometimes the best choice is standing right next to the popular one, just less crowded. And when you notice yourself following the crowd without really thinking, that's usually the exact moment worth pausing. So the next time you find yourself choosing something just because a crowd already chose it, ask yourself what you'd pick if you were the very first person there. If this helped, like, subscribe, and tell us, what's something you only did because everyone else was doing it?